Oh my gosh.
A pretty cool hotel tour.
We are heading somewhere very exciting today, a land flowing with milk in a bag and maple syrup. We're going to Canada.
Check it out. Canadian flag.
Oh my gosh. Home of Justin Bieber, where Avril Lavigne wrote Skater Boy. This is where it happens, folks. We already made our first stop at Tim Hortons for the Justin Bieber collaboration. Not sponsored, but Justin, if you're watching, we'll work for you anytime. Is it too late now to say
Sorry.
sorry? Oh! We are on our way to Best Western Fireside Inn in Kingston, Ontario. This is a theme hotel that's been on my wish list for a very long time. I am so excited to see this place. When people started asking us to come to Canada, I was worried I wouldn't be able to find anything. But when I saw photos of this hotel, I knew this would be our first Canada spot. This hotel has a special wing just for the fantasy suites. Oh my sweet lord and lady. That is a Rolls Royce. Check it out. A jetted tub surrounded by mirrors. A telephone booth? It's a real phone!
This thing's actually connected. Should we call our parents?
We should have brought you a Superman shirt.
I was thinking the same thing.
Nice.
Oh, well.
This is looking quite exquisite. I'm transported. First time to England, eh?
All my culture is from theme hotel rooms.
Nice. Next room. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh, he's right behind you, isn't he?
Oh, you scared me. They found water on the moon?
Nice.
Wow. This is tranquil. Look at all these buttons and knobs. You're gonna have a fun night. Well, I can see my house from here.
Nice.
Just testing.
It's a sturdy real rock there.
Ground control to Major Tom.
And I'm in a tin can.
Oh my gosh, you ruined everything.
It's a song about him camping and having to make the most of it.
Next room. Up the stairs. Some stunning detail in this one. Beautiful. The grand finale. That is a hot air balloon. And it's huge.
There's a TV.
You're kidding me. Oh my gosh. This is really freaking cool. Wow. Real stone. Let's check out the upstairs. A cozy fireplace. Some friends. A giant jacuzzi tub surrounded by mirrors. And a sauna. These huge rooms used to be squash and racquetball courts, and that's what they decided to turn into these larger than life fantasy suites, and they nailed it. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it. This is cooler than racquetball.
It's the best Western I've ever seen.
Nice. Nice. Tub time?
Tub time.
We haven't had poutine.
I need poutine.
Well,
They should have called them beaver balls, let's be honest.
do you think they did and then people didn't react well to it?
Well, I guess they're called holes. I guess Bieber holes would have been worse. Tell you what, there's nothing loony or toony about this theme hotel.
Everything about this hotel is intentional and nothing is just left over from the days when this was cool or popular. It's all wonderfully done and kept up so well. It's incredible. Kingston's a really cute little town. I loved getting to see some of the downtown. We took a ferry to Wolf Island. It was just very charming. But honestly, I thought we'd go out to eat more, but Tom's Place is such a cool bar.
I think it's hands down to me the best restaurant experience at a hotel that we've had yet.
The fact that we could be here for this many days in a row and not get sick of it, that's saying something.
The suites themselves are some of the more impressive designs we've ever seen as well.
The Flight of Fantasy room is really the wow factor for me.
Like, there's a reason why this isn't a theme that's done often at hotel rooms, because it's just not easy to pull off.
This is such a perfect fantasy suite. If I were to design fantasy suites, this is the type of inspiration I would draw from.
It's really impressive.
This is one of those theme hotels that I can already recommend to literally anyone and everyone because I am so confident you're gonna have an incredible experience. The people who work here care about this hotel, they care about the presentation, they're doing a stellar job, and everything about the experience just was 10 out of 10. This is one of the best fantasy hotels I've ever seen.
Yeah, I totally agree. Hey, to Best Western.
To Best Western.